We used to water our strawberries every single day, thinking more water meant better growth. Then we stopped, and within 3 weeks, everything changed. The plants didn't just survive, they improved in ways we didn't expect. It started with a simple observation. Even with daily watering, the plants looked stressed. Leaves were soft, some yellowing appeared, and the fruits lacked flavor. The soil stayed constantly wet, and something didn't feel right. So we decided to change one thing: reduce watering and let the soil breathe. The first step was understanding the environment. Strawberries prefer moist soil, but not constantly soaked conditions. Too much water can suffocate the roots, limiting oxygen and slowing down healthy growth. We chose a well-drained area to grow them. The soil was loosened and improved with organic matter to create a balance between moisture retention and drainage. Instead of watering every day, we began watering deeply but less frequently. This encouraged the roots to grow deeper into the soil in search of moisture, making the plant stronger and more resilient. At first, it felt wrong to skip watering. The surface of the soil looked dry, and the instinct was to add water immediately. But just below the surface, moisture was still present. Within the first week, small changes began to appear. The leaves became firmer, and the plants looked more stable. By the second week, new growth was clearly healthier. The plants were no longer depending on constant surface moisture. Instead, they were developing stronger root systems. Mulch was added around the base of the plants. This helped retain moisture in the soil while preventing rapid evaporation. It also protected the roots from temperature fluctuations. Sunlight played its role as well. With better root health, the plants were able to use energy more efficiently, supporting both leaf and fruit development. By the third week, the difference was undeniable. The plants looked stronger, greener, and more productive. Flowers developed more consistently, and the fruits began forming with better shape and color. Even the taste improved. The strawberries became sweeter and more concentrated in flavor. Overwatering had been diluting both the plant strength and the fruit quality. Maintenance became easier too. Instead of daily attention, watering was done only when needed, based on soil condition rather than routine. This created a more natural balance. The soil stayed active, not waterlogged, and roots had access to both moisture and oxygen. Another important detail was timing. Watering was done early in the day, allowing excess moisture on leaves to dry before cooler temperatures. This reduced the risk of disease. As the system stabilized, the plants required less intervention. They adapted to their environment and became more self-sufficient. Harvesting improved as well. The fruits were firmer, brighter, and lasted longer after picking. What started as a small experiment turned into a reliable method. Instead of following a fixed schedule, we learned to observe the plants and the soil. That made all the difference. 3 weeks was all it took to completely change how we grow strawberries. Less water didn't mean less growth, it meant better growth. In the end, the lesson was simple: more is not always better. Sometimes, giving plants a little less forces them to grow stronger. And in this case, stopping daily watering led to healthier plants, better harvests, and a much easier routine. Now we don't water out of habit, we water with purpose. And the results speak for themselves.